In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a page in your Canva design. This doesn't have to be a presentation like I have right here. It can be any design in Canva. So I'm going to lock this very first slide that I have here. Just click on that slide. If you have this view mode, then click on it like that. If you don't have this look of your slides, then I recommend you click on this button at the bottom right. It says pages. Just click on it. If you're on this, you can still do that by clicking on the lock page button over here at the top right of each slide, but I prefer doing it over here. So click on it and then click on the three dots and then click on lock page. You can also do the same thing by clicking Alt-Shift-L. So click on lock page, and as you can see, now this page is locked. As you can see, I can't move anything within this page now. Everything is like selecting everything, all the elements within that specific page or slide, and then clicking the lock property. And yeah, if you want to unlock the page now, just click on the three dots again and then unlock page, which is the same exact shortcut. And now we can select everything and move it around. And that's how you can lock pages in your Canva design. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.